This is a teach of 3 Tequila Floor for my Friday students. We begin with our weight on our left, and it begins, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And cross, turn, step, turn, kick, and behind side, cross, mambo step. Again, it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Again with words, it's ball, cross, turn a quarter, step, turn, turn, kick, behind side, cross, mambo step. So notice we're facing 10:30 at the end of the first 8 count. Now we will square up to 3 o'clock and cross and heel grind back, coaster, step, walk, walk. You'll notice I'm not doing a true heel grind. This is a heel grind. I find that is hard on my joints, so I do a swivet. In a swivet, your weight stays on the ball of your foot as you turn. Now, in the summer with the wood floors, the floor can be sticky, so you might even need to do it on the balls of your feet, that heel grind, so that you don't hurt your joints. So however you need to do that move to not hurt yourself, do that. So again, we just did our mambo step. It's and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Your third 8 count, we cross rock, side rock, sailor, turn, behind side, cross, scuff, press, in, out. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So it's 7 and 8. You press in, out, in case you can't see what I'm doing back there. So one more time. The third 8 are 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, we straighten the right, back, lock, back, kick, back, lock, back, and stamp, and stamp, and stamp, out, in, toe fan. And 1. On and, we straighten the right leg, which lifts our left back, and then we do back, lock, back, kick, back, lock, back, and stamp, and stamp, and stamp, out, in. I call it a stamp instead of a stomp because in NTA, when you stomp, you put weight on that foot. Could call it a stomp up because that lets you know not to put weight on it, but stamp is a little easier to say in the time. So that last 8 are and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1.
wobble. I poured a shot of mezcal in a glass. Started talking to the worm at the bottom of the bottle. We cried and we laughed. About then I started losing all feeling. For every shot I had, I must have had one more. Next thing I know, I was staring at the ceiling. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. Well, it got a little wild at the bachelorette party. Little Katie Shepherd weighed $105. She went from quiet and shy to want to fight everybody. White dress, black eye, teardrops falling, makeup running like Tammy Faye Baker praying to the Lord. Started out fun, but now she's done. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh, makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. Tommy turned 21 like a rock star buying Cuervo gold round after round. All he was bulletproof till the shots started flying. Bottoms up, man down, lying on the barroom floor, head spinning down for the count, looking for the door. Last thing he said, all blurry-eyed grinning, was 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh, makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. A spaceship crashed in the Roswell desert. Little green man stumbled into a bar, tried to blend in with all the other fellers. So good, so far. A few drinks and he was having fun, till some military men walked through the door. They dragged him off to Area 51, singing 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh, makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor.